Moving can be stressful for us, but imagine what it feels like for our pets. Today, I'm sharing the top tips to keep your pet calm during a move. First, let's talk preparation. Pets thrive on routine, so try to keep their schedule as normal as possible in the days leading up to the move. Feed them at the same times, walk them at the same times, and give them the same amount of attention. This sense of normalcy can help reduce their anxiety. Next, create a safe space. Set up a quiet room in your current home where your pet can retreat to when things get hectic. Fill it with their favorite toys, bedding, and some treats. This will be their sanctuary amid the chaos. On moving day, keep your pet in this room until it's time to go. This prevents them from getting underfoot or accidentally escaping. Make sure the room is well ventilated and comfortable. When it's time to transport your pet, make sure their carrier or crate is comfy and secure. Line it with soft bedding and a piece of your clothing to give them a sense of your presence. For dogs, consider a calming spray or pheromone collar to help ease their anxiety. Upon arrival at your new home, set up another safe space. Choose a quiet room where your pet can adjust to the new environment slowly. Again, include their favorite items to make it feel familiar. Gradually introduce them to the rest of the house. Start with one room at a time, allowing them to explore and get comfortable. Keep their routine consistent with feeding, walking, and playtimes. For the first few days, try to spend as much time as possible with your pet. Your presence will reassure them that everything is okay. Extra cuddles, playtime, and treats can go a long way in making them feel secure. Remember to be patient. Adjusting to a new home can take time, and every pet is different. Some may adapt quickly, while others might need a few weeks or even longer. Finally, keep an eye out for signs of stress. These can include changes in appetite, behavior, or bathroom habits. If you notice anything concerning, don't hesitate to consult your vet. In summary, preparation, creating a safe space, gradual introductions, and lots of love and patience are key to keeping your pet calm during a move. With these tips, you'll make the transition smoother for both you and your furry friend. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more pet tips and advice. See you next time.